Hi, Doc Martin from KRAZTV. Well, we're down here at Kino again, and we want to thank McCall. She was our first featured vendor down here at Kino. She's got to yet unwrap that 35,000 pound rock. I can't wait to see it, but I don't want a special event just for me. So when she gets it unwrapped, we're going to show it. But right next to her, there's La Raffia Vert, Madagascar. And they've got pounds and pounds and thousands of pounds of rocks. And McCall, well, she's got a lot of unpacking still, but she's working on it. You can bet on it. So from Kino, this is Doc Martin for 2018 Tucson Mineral Shows. Well, I hope my memory card hangs on. Well, showing you all this rough. There's quite a bit of it down here. So Kino's got the place for wholesale and a lot of big bulk items and large items for decor and architecture. So from down here at Kino, look at all this agate and chalcedony. See ya. KRAZTV. Well, if you're looking for really big, and I mean big, that's as big as your head. Some of these, and they're nice hard pieces. And, oh, it's amethyst. Think of all the cutting that can be done with that. So there's a lot of work left for other people to do. But look at these gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. This is Kino, folks, at the 2018 Tucson Gem and Mineral. This is called Kino Mineral and Gem Shows. But hey, look at all this blue. Wow. Isn't this gorgeous? See you, bye. Well, we're coming up on Enter the Earth. They're just getting set up. Those people I usually have to get vetted, so I'm just shooting from the outside. Maybe they'll give us an interview inside from Enter the Earth. Well, north of Enter the Earth, these empty tents won't be empty long. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. So actually they're still setting these tents up in this area. So all of this empty space here will be filled with tents. So they're about halfway. But the big gem dealer, I mean the big monster rocks and stuff, you got to take more time. So I guess that's why they come early. So this used to be the place here, this tent of See What We Saw. This guy usually has some beautiful turquoise and mesquite tables. So we'll be right back from Kino. That's right, Kino Gem and Mineral Shows, just getting set up. Hey, they're inside with a machine. Goodbye. Oh my goodness, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous shiny rocks. Blues, greens, pinks, rose quartz, plenty of it. Good looking. This isn't rose quartz, but look at that shine. Oh, so lucky to be down here. Look at this huge, huge piece of rose quartz. Isn't it gorgeous? 2018 Tucson Mineral Shows at Kino Gem Shows. Well, the last time we were down here, they were just getting set up. There's a heck of a lot more work being done here. Look at these points on some of this mineral here. Absolutely marvelous, folks. Absolutely marvelous. Well, the guy behind me told me no photography, but as long as I'm out in the public, folks, go get the cops. We'll settle this issue quickly. KRAZTV. Yeah, here I am photographing without letting anybody know I'm here. What do I care, folks? You get down here, you'll see it yourselves. Look at all this furniture. Wow. So 2018 Tucson Mineral Shows, KRAZTV. Well, this is where I'm at. Village Originals, Home Accent, Teak Root Furniture. Yeah, They know I've been here. I'm gonna come back when they're there, and I'll get somebody to take me through carte blanche, and then I'll tell the guy, stop me photographing now. Well, here I am heading south on the outside of the fence. Ooh, look at the stuff. Boxes, barrels, reams, crates, you name it, big boxes. Kino Mineral and Sports Park, Kino Mineral and Gem Shows, 2018.